Buick has released an Obsidian Black Racing Package for Regal buyers in China. The option combines black paint, wheels and grille with a red leather interior. Engine choices are turbocharged 1.5 or 2.0 engines, both with a 9-speed auto. Buick walked away from sedans in North America years ago, pouring all its attention into SUVs. Yet thousands of miles away in China, the classic trunked four-door is still alive and doing just fine. The Buick Regal disappeared from US showrooms in 2020, and its Opel and Holden cousins are also long dead. But in China, it endures. Buyers there can now option a new appearance package that appears to be taking inspiration from one of Buick's most famous performance cars. Called the Obsidian Black Racing Package, the option bundle brings together moody black exterior paint, a black grille to help the red GS badge really pop, black alloy wheels and a rear spoiler, again in stealthy black. The 1980s Buick Regal-based Grand National and GNX must have been on the designers' minds when they created this one. Moving inside, you might expect to see more unremitting darkness, but in fact Buick's designers opted to lift the tone, contrasting the black exterior with some red leather upholstery. It's more of a wine red than lipstick red, but certainly adds some brightness and interest to what is at heart a pretty boring cabin. The door panels feature a honeycomb-patterned leather design with French double stitching, while the leather continues across the dashboard surfaces in black. There's also wing-shaped ambient lighting along the carpets. No changes under the skin, mind, so if you were hoping the transformation might include a GNX-style engine overhaul, you're going to be disappointed. The base engine, badged 25T, though hilariously referred to as the 25T Super Enjoyable Edition per the translation, is a 1.5-liter GM Ecotec inline-4 pushing out just 166 horsepower, 169 horsepower, and 184 lb-ft, 250 Nm. Doesn't sound that enjoyable to us, so we'll take the optional 28T, thanks. That's a 2.0-liter inline-4 capable of generating 233 horsepower, 237 horsepower, and 258 lb-ft, 350 Nm, and like the little motor is bolted to a 9-speed automatic. Not exactly GNX grade stuff, but the black package is only meant to be a bit of visual fun. According to Buick, the package is officially priced at 7,899 yen, around $1,110, with a limited time discount of 3,000 yen, about $421, available. Pricing for the Regal starts at 106,900 yuan, approximately $15,000, and rises to over 200,000 yuan, $28,000, for higher trims.